She's planning to get a phone.
So we'll do activity 5, guys, soon, right?
Tomorrow.
Huh?
Today.
Today, Beton. We just finished 4. 4 was like 1 question. 2 lines.
No, it was 4 questions.
There's no 4 questions, there's 2 questions there. The other one is a practical. It's not a question. It was just, you were just practicing what you just read. It wasn't a test at home. Justin. Number 5 has only like 2 questions. And we're gonna do 6 as well. It's only like 1 question or 2. We're actually gonna do them all together today. There, don't be lazy, Justin. Because you know next week you're gonna be absent. So we need you like to, if you are here, you must write everything.
I won't be absent anymore.
Yeah, we'll see that when you come back after finishing these activities. Because we can't trust you. Oh, or maybe we'll go home and do 7. But actually 7 is the last one, guys. Yes. It was so small. It's so small actually. We're gonna do all the activities today, ne? Until 8. It's only like 1 question each.
1 question each?
Yes, 1, 2 question each. Ne? And we'll do it together. Like this one, we did it together. Come on, guys. Come on. Let's say we take the summative home. And then when we come back, we are done. Or maybe I should give you AP4 now. Ne? Yes. Who can I send there? You wanna go to Kage's squad? Ntlaka, please. Ntlaka. Okay, hi guys. So it's another day. It's Friday today, and yeah, welcome to my little vlogs, I can say. But anyway, it's Friday today. I slept very well. I feel very happy. So today I woke up late. I was super late. I couldn't vlog anything coming to work. I think it took like a mini video when we were driving here, and then now in class I'm doing some marking, and then after that I'm gonna go to the salon. And I think literally that's how my day is gonna start. I was eating also in the morning. I was very hungry. I couldn't literally take videos of anything. But anywho, good morning everybody and welcome to my vlog. Today it's an empty classroom and I'm here. Hey besties, so this is me Saturday morning heading to the airport camp in Polo Fields. This is us driving there to Midrand. Yeah, these are the nice buildings of Midrand. Yes, and then we drove. This is me getting off to the venue now to start the real thing. And yeah, this is the outside part of this beautiful place. Then here me studying to gym. This is actually hard. I am very unfit and I'm actually very much laughing here because the people are sitting with were making me laugh. They were very like unfit. I'm even much better. So yeah, this is another exercise for destroying stretches. I don't know what you call them. Then these are the squats, planks, and some side squats. Yeah, and then again I was tired here and then I sat, but I managed to take a picture. I was super tired. And then after the break, peace out. And yeah, this is the squad when we were still chilling, and then we went back again This is me heading home now in the feet again. And yeah, and then we're driving back now home to Joburg. This is the outside. This is me looking cute here, tired and very much concerned. This is the route back home, and then yeah, after that. And again, the other reason for this video is just to show off my nails. This is my first set of nails in 2023 because last year I had nails. Me and my friend Okuku, we had nails, and it was insane because the last one were painful, and I vowed to myself that I'm actually not gonna do nails again or anytime soon. But yeah, I am. Morning guys, so this is the 1st of August and welcome to my vlog. I'm gonna vlog from the 1st of August until the 5th because that's where the event is, the 5th. So I'm gonna vlog from today, that is the Tuesday, that's the 1st of August, until the 5th of August, the Saturday. So welcome to my vlog. I'm gonna vlog and sometimes not vlog because I happen to forget at times. So this is morning. I just got to campus at work. The time is 8:45. I am late and my students are also late, so yeah, welcome. I'm just gonna show you my feet in a bit. Like, there's a video I took when I came in, and yeah. home time. I'm in the winter. Morning guys, this is the 2nd of August, Wednesday morning. I just got to work and yeah, I have a class this morning, and then after I'm gonna go out to the China Mall to get some of our stuff for the 5th, the outfits. There's some things we need to get there because there's some traditional articles we need to get. And yeah, welcome to my vlog and enjoy. This is me now coming back from the shops, back to the office. I'm tired. It's a Thursday morning, the 3rd of August, and I'm actually heading to work. Welcome to my vlog again. Like so dramatic. This is literally my day in a nutshell. I have been marking and marking and have been in cold. Thank God I have my mother's scarf to keep me warm. Anyways, yeah, this is my day. Finally Friday, the 4th of August. Super excited. Welcome to my vlog, and it's almost the last day. Today I'm here at work and I just got here now. I'm gonna start doing the marking because I don't have classes today, but then the main point is I'm gonna leave early today. By 1 I'll be out of here, and we're actually gonna head to where are we heading? We're heading somewhere, I don't know to buy what, but I'm excited because after here I'm going to like I'm tired of excited. I'm just gonna go there and start flooding myself with miking, and then after that my day is gonna start after 1 when I knock off this place. Anyways, I put the red lipstick today and I feel gorgeous. Honestly, I'm tired. Now the time is 12:34 and I'm super tired. Like, I'm literally like counting minutes because I want to go home. So I don't know, I've been miking and been trying to watch my favorite things, and guys, I cannot wait for this photo selection. I don't know, it's season 2 or it's what, but the one that's coming tomorrow, the 5th, because I saw the trailer and I was just like, there is no way this is the same thing we were watching on the first episode or on the first season, if it's called season or whatever. But like, wow, I'm so excited. I cannot wait. It's my favorite. It's like wow, I'm so tired, but the day has finally ended and I am here to change and head out. Hey besties, so this is the 5th of August, Saturday. This is me heading to the spa date. Actually, I was actually meant to go to Midrand and put a wrong address. We ended up in Erasmus in another branch of the Kaithai Spa Hotel. This was driving. This is me after the massage. I couldn't video the massage because it was sensual. This is me after they gave us coffee and we took pictures. This is me dancing, enjoying myself. And this is the aftercare they serve, the Kaithai. And then this is the chilling place. Took pictures outside. And this is me heading home. This is me in my happy girl era, and then driving back to Johannesburg. Go to this mall. I don't even know the name. Then I took pictures, we bought food, ate, and put some milkshakes. And this is us again proceeding with the road. We passed by Kyalami, that place for racing cars. It was super nice, and then I was enjoying myself, playing music, singing. Then I had a second appointment. When I got home, I changed to this party. Then this is my fit for that day. Took some boomerangs. This is my girl, birthday girl. We love to eat. Then this is when I lost my phone. Until now, I still don't have my phone. Using other people's phones. But yeah, it went well. And thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Bye.